After the rain stopped, children ran outside, looking up at the sky. They waited for bright, beautiful colors to stretch across the clouds. But something was wrong. There was no rainbow, no red, no blue, no yellow. High above the clouds, the rainbow colors were arguing.
Red said proudly, "I should shine the brightest." Blue said confidently, "The sky matches me. I should go first." Yellow said cheerfully, "I bring the sunshine glow. Everyone loves me." Green, orange, indigo, and violet all began speaking at once. Soon they were talking over each other. Red firmly said, "I'll shine alone." Blue challenged, "Fine, I'll shine alone too."
One by one, each color tried to appear in the sky by itself. Red flashed across the clouds. It looked bold, but lonely. Blue stretched wide. It looked calm, but empty. Yellow glowed brightly. It looked warm, but plain. And below, the children looked confused. Where's the rainbow? The colors looked down and realized something important. Alone, they were just a single stripe in the sky. Maybe being the brightest wasn't the most important thing. Slowly, they grew quiet. One by one, they moved closer together. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. And as soon as they stood side by side, something magical happened. A beautiful rainbow arced across the sky. The children cheered with joy. Birds chirped happily. Even the sun seemed to shine brighter. The colors felt proud, not because one was better than the others, but because together they created something breathtaking. And from that day on, they never tried to shine alone again. Each color is special on its own, but together they create something truly magical. Unity makes us stronger and brighter.